I see you.
She's
Steal
up and then
my
she's
beat.
blaming
I
you.
see. Zoom in. Zoom out.
Zoom in. Zoom.
Hello sisters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the LOEWE bag. Is it called LOEWE bag? LOEWE's Home Improvement. LOEWE's LOEWE. I'm gonna check it out. How do you say low? Oh, it has accent goo on the E's, so it's LOEWE. LOEWE. Oh, so much better than low. So you got low. Okay, LOEWE. We're gonna do an unboxing. I got the elephant felted version of the LOEWE bag. We're gonna get right into it and do the unboxing. Sisters, let's try it. So it came in a box like this. It's bigger than my body. It's huge. We're gonna unbox this together. So I already pre-cut this. If I can elegantly open this. I don't think there's an elegant way of opening this because it's got stuck. And it looks like this. Look at their box. Oops. Yeah. Here it is, guys. Even the box looks so nice. Are you ready? Drum roll. Oh, it's a bag within a bag. Does it have anything else? No. What's this? Oh, you get to. Oh, crap!
Nice going.
Oh my god, that looks so pretty. Okay, let's open this. It's the felted elephant bag. Isn't it so cute?
That's so cute. Even Chewie loves it. It is so cute.
Isn't it so cute? It's adorable. Oh, I just want to like, ta-da. The front has, oh, you get to adjust the, can you adjust, no. Oh, it's like double-sided like this. You can adjust the length of it too. That is so cool. And then you can see that there's different length. And then you can adjust according to your desire. Lots of room, so you can put your wallet, phone, keys, maybe even a tablet. And this is where you tie it in the middle. I think that's the bad thing about this because it's such a big opening. So if you have any like small things like lipstick, maybe your tiny wallet and phone, it can slip out very easily.
But if you get something to put inside, like I've seen some purses that has like a line.
Oh, like a pouch in
yeah,
a way.
like some
And then,
sort of a pouch.
yeah, that's
then
right.
This way it doesn't fall out or
That's a good
everything's still
idea.
secure inside.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I can put like a little pouch and then I just put like all my important things or like the little things inside here so I don't have to worry about it rolling out. I feel like the straw version is more for summer. You can only use it for one season, but at least for the felted one, you can use it for maybe year round. Like summer, fall, winter, more versatile I feel like. I actually saw one of my patients, because I'm a dental hygienist in my office, and I saw one of my patients, I feel like hers was a little tinier, maybe like this small. I don't know, I didn't see it online, but I feel like hers should be tinier than this one because when I saw this I was like, oh my gosh, this is so big. But I like it. I like this size.
I like that size.
Because I don't really have, I usually have a lot of crossbody small versions, so it's nice to have a bigger bag. Oh, another thing is I realized for the felted, can you see the felt like coming off onto the table? Maybe that's another problem. When you're wearing it, you might feel like there's felt going onto your clothes.
It could be just because it's new.
It could be. Maybe after a few wears, it'll be okay. Don't know, but this is the cutest thing.
I love it.
I actually wish they have like just one more pocket. Maybe like one pocket in here or something.
Like the zipper so you can put it. your wallet in there.
Wallet or maybe keys or something. Like something tiny that you can put here. But you know what? Like you were saying, I can put a pouch in here. I can even put like those tinier pouches with zipper. It'll be okay too. But I love this. LOEWE Bag. This is my new favorite bag.
So they actually design like everything with an elephant head. Like
not everything.
Oh, not everything.
No, they have so many different like products. They have like shoes, handbags. I think maybe clothing too. But
wow.
This is one of their newest edition where their main theme is elephants. All elephants. But they have a lot of like different kind of styles. I don't know. There's nothing else to say besides that. It's so cute. It's so damn cute, and it's probably my new favorite bag now. So off I go. Bye, sisters.
The way my